So last class we discussed document type controls. Ours is AOR. Select this, go to details. So we have one more here. Take this proposal for pricing date. Proposal for pricing date. Proposal for pricing date. Make a note. This field controls this field controls this field controls based on which date? This field controls based on which date? The pricing date should be determined. This field controls based on which date? The pricing date should be determined into sales document. This field controls based on which date? The pricing date should be determined into sales document. This field controls based on which date the pricing date should be determined into sales document. So what is that field? Proposal for pricing date. So this field controls based on which date the pricing date should be determined into sales document. Take this bracket. Pricing date will help to determine pricing date will help to determine valid price on that particular date. Pricing date will help to determine valid price on that particular date. Pricing date will help to determine valid price on that particular date. So proposal for pricing date, this field controls based on which date the pricing date should be determined into sales document, and pricing date will help to determine the valid price on that particular date. Pricing date will help to determine the valid price on that particular date. Pricing date will help to determine valid price on that particular date. See here, when you create order, AOR, A100, A1, A1. So what is pricing date? Normally it will take today's date. What is pricing date? Today's date. Now, if I change requested delivery date, Suppose I'll mention requested delivery date next month, 10th October. So pricing date remains same. Pricing date is same. But if you change this, requested delivery date is 10th, but pricing date is same. Suppose if I mention here proposal for pricing date as A means what? Proposal blank means pricing date will be always today's date. Okay. A means proposal based on requested delivery date. Pricing date will be based on requested delivery date. Okay. Take this. So here proposal for pricing date blank means, take this, proposal for pricing date blank means proposal based on today's date. So pricing date will be always today's date if it is blank. If it is A, then proposal based on requested delivery date. Proposal create order again. Now here pricing date, it is showing today's date. Suppose if I change requested delivery date 10th October, pricing date will also change to 10th October. See here, pricing date will also be changed. So whatever the requested delivery date, that will be taken as pricing date if you mention proposal for pricing date as A. So that is about the last field, proposal for pricing date. So these are the fields we have in document type controls. So total we discussed some 44 fields. Let us see fields in document type controls. Just we list out the fields. First one is D document category. So this field controls the functioning of the sales document, that is whether it is inquiry or quotation or sales order, etc. SD document category. This field controls the functioning of the sales document, that is whether it is inquiry or quotation or sales order, etc. So this field controls what the functioning of the sales document, that is whether it is inquiry or quotation or sales order, etc. Next, indicator. So we maintain indicator only for RK. For RK, we maintain indicator as D. So indicator D controls that each line item from invoice will be copied as 2 line items in invoice correction request document. Next, sales document block. If you maintain this, then system will not allow to create sales document with that document type. So any document type, if you maintain this sales document block as X, then system will not allow to create sales document with that document type. Next, fourth one, internal number range, external number range. So in sales documents, we have both internal number and external number. And the T code to define number range for sales document is VN01. Next, item number increment. Item number increment. Item number increment. So this field controls how the line item number should be incremented in sales document. Next, sub item increment. So this field controls how the sub item number should be incremented in sales document. What scenarios you will have sub item BOM, bill of material, free goods, material determination, cross selling. Next, reference mandatory. So this field controls whether any preceding document is required or not to create a sales document. In standard, RK and SDF will have reference mandatory. RK it is M with reference to SDF it is D with reference to order. Next, check division. This field controls how system should respond if the division in the header deviates from division in the item. That is whether to give warning message or error message or no message. Blank means no message, 1 means warning message, 2 means error message. Next, item division. So if you check this, then the line item division in sales document will be copied from material master. If you uncheck this, then the line item division in sales document will be copied from header division. Next, read info record. If you check this, then system will read CMIR and the system will determine it into sales document. If you uncheck this, then system will not read CMIR and system will not determine it into sales document. Next, check purchase order number. If you maintain A, then while creating sales order, system will check the combination of customer and PO number in previous orders. If the same combination exists, then system will give warning message. So this will help to restrict duplication of sales orders. Next, enter PO number. If you check this, then while creating sales order, if PO number is blank, then system will copy sales order number as PO number. If you check this, then while creating sales order, if PO number is blank, then system will copy sales order number as PO number. Next, commitment date. If you maintain year C, then when you create sales order, system will display extra tab in extra field in schedule lines tab, that is a committed quantity. Any order with committed quantity will be given first preference while delivering the goods to customer. Next, probability. This field controls the chance of converting inquiry and quotation into order. This field controls the chance of converting inquiry and quotation into order. In standard, inquiry converting into order is 30%. Quotation converting into order is 70%. Next, check purchase order number. Check credit limit. This field controls whether to go for simple credit check or automatic credit check. If you want to go for simple credit check, then maintain check credit limit as A or B or C. A means run simple credit check and give warning message. B means run simple credit check and give error message. C means run simple credit check and assign delivery block. Okay. If you want to go for automatic credit check, then maintain D. So we discussed here difference between simple credit check and automatic credit check. Next, credit group. This field controls which transaction should be blocked if the customer's credit limit exceeds, that is whether to block it, order or delivery or invoice. And this field is applicable only for automatic credit check. Next, screen sequence group. This field controls which screen should be displayed while creating sales document. Next, incompletion procedure. So it is a procedure which consists of list of mandatory fields which user has to enter while creating sales document. If any of the mandatory field is missing, then either system will not allow to save the sales document, or even if system allow to save, the status of the document will be incomplete and you cannot process incomplete documents. So it is a procedure which consists of list of mandatory fields which user has to enter while creating sales document. If any of the mandatory field is missing in sales document, then either system will not allow to save the sales document, or even if system allow to save, the status of the document will be incomplete and you cannot process incomplete documents. Next, transaction group. This field controls the T code of the sales document type. Next, document pricing procedure. So this field is one of the parameter to determine pricing procedure in sales document. Standard it is A, free of charge it is C, value contracts it is Y, like. So this field is one of the parameter to determine pricing procedure in sales document. Next, status profile, it's a order release process. Status profile is a order release process. After creating sales order by end user, the order will be sent to authorized person to cross check and release. If order is released, then only system will allow to create invoice, delivery and invoice. So status profile is what? It's a order release process. After creating sales order by end user, the order will be sent to authorized person to cross check and release. If order is released, then only system will allow to create delivery and invoice. Next, alternate sales document type 1, alternate sales document type 2. So this will help to shift the sales documents from one document type to another. This will help to shift the sales documents from one document type to another. Okay. Next, variant. So this will help to control the fields in sales document. That is whether to make the field mandatory or optional or display or suppress. Next, display range. This field controls whether to display all items or only main items in case of sub items. Next, F code for overview screen. This field controls which screen should be displayed by default while creating sales document. Which tab should be displayed by default while creating sales document. Quotation messages. Messages. If you maintain this, then while creating sales order, system checks for this customer, is there any open contracts existing or not? If yes, then system will propose the list. Next, incomplete messages. If you check this, then system will not allow to save the incomplete document. If you uncheck this, then system will allow to save even if document is incomplete. Next, delivery type. If you maintain delivery type here, then system automatically determines it while creating delivery. If you maintain
వద్దు మమ్మీ చెప్పిన మాట వినవా ఇంటవా వినవా చెప్పు నాకు ఇంటవా వినవా వద్దు పడే పడే అన్ని చేతిలో ఉంటే ఎప్పుడు నా మాట విన్నానంటే నువ్వు వెరీ గుడ్ హ్యాండ్ వాష్ చూసుకో హ్యాండ్ వాష్ చూసుకొని ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి చెప్పు బెడ్షీట్
నేర్చుకుంటా
ఇవి 3 అంతే ఇది రాలేదు
ఫస్ట్ V1 V2 V3
అవి అవసరం లేదు
ఫస్ట్ నేను
సరే
So these are the delivery types we have. Next, delivery block. If you maintain delivery block, then order will be automatically blocked for delivery. Then authorized person has to cross check and remove delivery block. Then only system will allow to create delivery. Next, shipping conditions. If you maintain shipping conditions here, then it overrides the shipping conditions in customer master while determining shipping point into sales document. So here we maintain shipping conditions only for cash shell and rush order. For cash shell and rush order, we maintain shipping conditions as 10. For cash shell and rush order, we maintain shipping conditions as 10. So only CS and RO, we maintain shipping conditions as 10. So if you maintain shipping conditions here, then it overrides the shipping conditions in customer master while determining shipping point into sales doc.
హాట్ పెట్టుకో తొందర తగ్గిపోద్ది.
And we maintain shipping conditions only for cash shell and rush order. And for cash shell and rush order, we maintain shipping conditions as 10. Next, immediate delivery. We maintain immediate delivery only for cash shell and rush order. And for cash shell and rush order, we maintain immediate delivery as X or A. If you maintain immediate delivery, then when you create sales order, system automatically creates delivery in the background.
ఎట్లా దీన్ని ఎట్లా లోవాలి
డాడీని అడుగుపో తెలుస్తుంది.
డాడీ వర్క్ చేసుకోండి.
ఇది తీసేయి, పొట్టు తీసేసి ఇట్లా ఇరగొట్టు.
2 pieces
So if you maintain immediate delivery as X or A, then whenever we create sales order in cash shell and rush order, system automatically creates delivery. System automatically creates delivery. Over. Next. So what is the difference A and B? Sorry, X and A. X means create delivery immediate if quantity is confirmed today. A means create delivery immediate even if quantity is confirmed in future date. Next. Billing type, delivery related billing type, order related billing type. So if you maintain billing type here, then system automatically determines it while creating invoice. If you maintain billing type here, then system automatically determines it while creating invoice. So standard billing type is F2. Standard billing type is F2. Cash shell BV, returns RE, credit memo G2, debit memo L2. Intercompany invoice IV, intercompany credit memo IG. Proforma invoice order related F5. Proforma invoice delivery related F8. Invoice cancellation S1, return invoice and credit memo cancellation S2. So these are all the standard billing types. Next, billing block. So if you maintain billing block, then order will be automatically blocked for billing. Then authorized person has to cross-check and remove billing block. Then only system will allow to create invoice. So which document types we have billing block? Returns, credit memo, invoice correction, debit memo, consignment returns. Next, condition type line items. So here we maintain either EK01 or EK02. EK01, EK02 are product cost condition types. Product cost means direct cost plus indirect cost. Direct cost means manufacturing cost. Indirect cost means rent, salaries, depreciation, advertisement, promotion expenses, administration expenses like that. So if the selling price is totally dependent on cost, then we maintain here EK01. If cost is only statistical, that means selling price is not totally dependent on cost, then we maintain here EK02. Next, billing plan type. So we have two types of billing plans: periodic billing, milestone billing. Okay. So periodic billing means billing based on regular intervals, that is monthly billing, quarterly billing, yearly billing, half yearly billing like that. So for service contracts and rental contracts, we have this periodic billing. Next, milestone billing, activity-based billing. Milestone billing means what? Activity-based billing, that is billing based on work done. Okay. All projects we have milestone billing. Next, lead time in days. If you maintain number of days here, then system will consider the number of days while proposing a requested delivery date in sales order. If you mention 7 days, today is 2nd plus 7, 9 days. 9th, it will propose requested delivery date when you create sales order. Next, propose delivery date. If you check this, then system will automatically propose a requested delivery date while creating sales order. If you uncheck this, then system will not propose requested delivery date automatically. User has to enter it manually. Next, propose PO date. If you check this, then system will automatically propose today's date as PO date. If you uncheck this, then system will not propose PO date automatically. User has to enter it manually. Next, date type. This field controls in which format the delivery date should be proposed in sales order. That is day format or week format or month format. Next, last field, proposal for pricing date. Proposal for pricing date. This field controls based on which date the pricing date should be determined in sales order. That is based on today's date or based on requested delivery date. If it is blank, then pricing date will be always today's date. If it is A, then pricing date will be determined based on requested delivery date. So these are the fields we have in 44 fields we have in sales document type controls. So these are the 44 fields. Now go and check document types. So if you go to VOV8, so go to your document type VOR and you will have all these fields. So try to remember all the fields which we discussed. try to remember all the fields which we discussed up to this proposal for pricing date. Okay. Next, we have this item. Take this item category controls. Item category controls, T code, VOV7, item category controls, T code, VOV7. Take the path, SPRO, SPRO, sales and distribution, sales, SPRO, sales and distribution, sales, sales documents, sales document item,
పిల్లలకి ఇద్దరిని
define item categories, define item categories. So this is the path for item category controls. So we discussed this structure of sales document. Take this structure of sales document. Here, header data. Structure of sales document is divided into three parts: header data, item data, schedule line data. So item data, take this, take like this. Structure of sales document, take these three parts: header data, item data, schedule line data. Header data, item data, schedule line data. May take this. Item data is the data which is applicable to a particular line item in sales document. Item data is the data which is applicable to particular line item in sales document. Item data is the data which is applicable to particular line item in sales document. So here we are talking about item data. Make note. The source of item data is material master, CMIR, condition master, some part of configuration data, some part of control data. So the source of item data is material master, CMIR, condition master, some part of configuration data, some part of control data. Next, item data will be controlled by item category. Item data will be controlled by item category.
Sir, repeat, sir.
Item data will be controlled by item category. The table for item data is VBAP. Take this. Take this. So this is the structure of sales document. Here highlight only item data. Over. Over. Okay. So item categories we have, like document types, we have some 35 item categories. Okay. So today we have class only up to 9. So tomorrow we'll continue this item categories. We'll take the list of item categories. We have 35 item categories in standard. So that we discuss tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll continue this. Thank you.
you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.